Yes, my people, welcome aboard, welcome aboard, welcome aboard. A topic on the road. Fantan Mojah forward with an apology for Sydney Breakspear. But as far as Mutah Baruka goes, no apology for you, brother. So, me no know that thing they go. I just decide there. Seen? But as far as that go and as this go, we have the audio clip them for the massive with the apology. So we are going to just run it and make the people them hear what I go on and what I go on.
Say you do, along you to all my fans out there. You know Fantan Mojah is not a troublemaker. We don't know that. But I want him to come up clear today. Yeah, because you see Sister Cindy Breakspear is a lady where the whole world, the whole Jamaica love. And her son Junior Gang is a brother to me. Never disrespect me yet. But I might say something in the first interview, but I never met to say Sister Cindy Breakspear because that lady has never done me wrong. So I'm deeply apologize for the argument them when me say. But Mutah, come to you now. You know why I'm not going to apologize to you? Because Mutah, for years from Fantan Bus 2004 on the radio. I hear you play a lot of artists, which me no bad mind over that. But me never hear you play a Fantan Mojah yet, Mutah. Never hear you play a Fantan Mojah. You have never called me for an interview. Never, none call. That means say, you don't like. Simple, you don't like. But me like you same way. Because over the years as a youth, we respect your program, so we listen to you at times. But by listening to you, sometime, yeah, you go mix up. You see what I say? And the mix up where you go, you should have never trouble Fantan. The Fantan don't trouble people. You even make my daughter listen to you on the radio and get traumatized over what you say. And call me our father phone and say, Daddy, what you do to Mutah? You don't do Mutah nothing, baby. But the kids, them hear you bash me on the radio, Mutah. And come on, Mutah, me a man, me have feelings like anybody else. We are human being, God. You see what I say? So to all of my fans, them want who know this, me never trouble Mutah. Mutah trouble me. But anything I said before, I apologize for even mention Mommy. Mommy, with mother, she represent the royal food, Sister Cindy Breakspear. Yeah, Junior Gang mother. I apologize for even calling your name, Mommy. Yeah, I'm deeply apologize. Yes, my fans, that I want to know. But Mutah, me not apologize to you. I mean, you say you carry me go a court. Go and go carry me go a court. And you first started. And the people in my Jamaica, Mutah, will listen to you. But I don't think that everybody with you, Mutah. And don't the music fraternity, which is the artist them, don't think you're all away with your Mutah because you mix up. Yeah. But we still rate you because you talk good things and you talk upliftment things, but at times you go mix up. Mutah, you could have called me, you know. You could have called Fantan Mojah and do an interview and say, Fantan, what's up with this dancehall video where I see so much girls in this video? You know what I said to you, Mutah? Me know in yourself say you like girls. And that's you don't make the speech, and you make a speech, you know, say, why me never go behind closed door and go into a hotel room, nobody know it. Can you say that you could have do if I did you in my position? You'd go closed door in a room, go lock up and do it. No, Mutah. Mr. Man not dress up nothing, you know. He's a truthful youth. Yeah. More spoken. Yeah. That's why enough people would have said, Fantan this and him that. No. Me one of the nicest youth in a reggae music, Mutah. And I believe in the Almighty. So even see me sing a song about girls, me still have joy in my heart. Me never change. And me say take nothing at all for you, the king. Me not have riches. Yeah. You see my real Jamaican fans them never give up on me. Even when them not hear Fantan, them go up on the net and source them, we hear one new Fantan job. You see the people out in the world, and them love me Mutah, them never give up on me yet. So me don't know how you feel up on the radio and bash me and think I have big kids that got ear and I go up to my feelings and feel a way too. So after me bash your back now, because you bash me first, you know. After me burn back a fire, me your boss say you go sue me. Yes, Mutah, you want to sue me. Yeah. Jamaica people don't hear Mutah say you want to sue Fantan because you started first. You see what I say? And me fling back the fire. I know your Bex. Your Bex Muta, listen me. Remember saying a Muta. Them call me Fire Child. I'm a step past Fire Child now. Me a Fire King now. You see what me I say? Me no do nothing wrong in a me song. Me no have no girls in a me song. A kiss in a me song. Me no have no scene in a me song where you see me a out no cigarette or no weed in a no girl mouth and I call them ashtray. No, my video clean and nice. Even the kids can watch it. I be a big people in my video booth. So you should have called me and say, Fantan, what about this video? Yeah, give me an interview then. Even you not play me for the day me boss until now. Give me an interview. You see what I say? If you respect nobody down at IRFM, you know I come like we are that them put it to the world and other station of Jamaica. Every radio station of Jamaica big up themselves. Big up every disc jockey down at IRFM. Because I know who give me the glory. Muta, you have never give me any glory from the day I was in music. Me turn up and here you give it to Luton and Africa, say Luton burn down house and one bag of sitting. Now we never come talk about these things. We love you because we rate you as an elder. And you name Muta, cutting edge. We grew up and listen to your program, God. So me did call me and do an interview, God. I have gone for the radio and bash me, God. And things say, me want to look a puppy there, we have to just listen and do it. Me a bad liar never answer you, God. Now talk the truth, God. So to all of my fans, them, no disrespect. We don't hate Muta. Fantan Moja don't hate Muta. Me just talk the truth with it on my mind. Yes. So to all of my fans, love you know. Music me I deal with. Who if a dancer song they for come? Listen them. Them full of meaning. And them have culture of them too. That Jamaica culture, dancehall and reggae. So don't put me in a box like you think, say, one music we do. We do music to uplift the people, and music make them dance. So you do. Fantan Moja. Listen me now. I want to make it tell you, you know. It's right now. Crave music. Listen me. Send with the one here. And the viral corner with the pan. DJ Kenny. Say you do.
DJ Dan Kingston.
And DJ Dan Kingston, this, you know. Yeah. See him over here, sir. And DJ Kenny the right here, sir. And the viral corner this year. Yeah. But to all of my fans, them, I tell you, say, me not hate Muta. Muta come like a we elder same way, we have to respect him. But where respect should give, you give respect and you gain back respect. Me never did trouble you first, and you first trouble me. So if you want to fix this, yeah, we're ready to do the interview on the phone. Yeah.
So there you have it, people. And that's the thing there. You hear it for yourself. The man said no apology for the boss, Muta Baruka. So I don't know, Muta Baruka, I guess you and the boss have to go start out on a thing differently. Because the man said I'm not apologize to you because him done see boy from long time. I don't know. But it seems as if say you don't like him and rare. You see me? So as far as that goes, no apology. But anyway, my people, thanks for checking in once again. Big up on yourself. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss none of my future uploads. You see me? Yes, people.